Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation of this brand new 2019 Coachmen Catalina. It's a fantastic product. You know, we sell a lot of this product here at Guarantee. It's built by Coachmen. They've been around for about 53 years, and we've been, as a company here, around about 52. So it's a great relationship that we have with them. And you know, this product that we have has got a large space in it. It's got a lot of room, extra bathroom in the back, which is pretty cool, so we'll be able to share that with you. It's a 313 DBDS CK, if you can understand all that and hear it. It's pretty clever. Basically, it's got a lot of room in it, and it's got the extra half bathroom in the back, which is pretty cool, so we'll start out in there. Come on in. We'll kind of start in the back end over here, kind of give you an example of what we're doing and what's kind of cool with this extra room. So if you have kids and you want to be able to have their separate area, you've got a larger area here on the bunk here. You've got this flip-up bunk over here for smaller person or child. On this one they have a little latch that locks them, but it folds up out of the way about that high. Gives a little more space up underneath here too. Those backs you can kind of get, which you can kind of lounge in this area here. You can also fold this out and have a really large bed down here if you wanted to have a couple of kids there. One up here and one there. There's your four at least, probably comfortably back here. Little ladder that kind of folds out here to my right, and you've got some storage that you see in these areas as well, and that's pretty cool for additional storage. Place for a TV. The hookups and everything are going to be just above it here, up out of sight, and you got a window there, and down below as well. And having this extra opening window in the back for extra ventilation. If we switch with the camera here, I'll show you a little bit. You've got a pocket door that will slide across here and will separate the toilet here and the sink. So you have that little half bathroom, so you can kind of go in and see a picture of that if you needs to. It's pretty cool to have that area back here, their own little bathroom. And we'll also, when we go back into the main living area and up front, I'll show you that master bathroom as well. So as we come on kind of back out through here, you'll see a super slide out on this side here where the awning is. You've got a new kind of interior. It's kind of pretty cool. This is a tri-folding bed as opposed to just a jackknife sofa. This will come out into the room, so you'll be able to have a big bed there, and this booth that makes into a bed. They have a little bit newer fabrics and newer counter material here, and looks is kind of nice. In 2019 they went kind of more to a little bit lighter colored wood on your cabinets and doors and drawers and such. So kind of as we span this area right here in your main living area and kitchen, you've got this extra counter space that you kind of get with the corner style here. You've got the nice drawers that slide out here, the new modern looking oven, and the glass top you see right here is real nice in that kitchen area. Kind of folds up out of the way nicely. You do also have your refrigerator that's up a little bit higher off the ground. It's nice as well. And then your microwave you have up on this area. If you see what you got for real nice storage overhead here. Nice style of kind of a nice kind of design on their cabinets are real cool as well. And nicely mortise and tenon cabinet joins are a real nice solid join. And then as we kind of turn around here, I'll be able to show you kind of when you're sitting here, there you are able to see that we have a fireplace as an alternate source of heat there as well, of supplemental heat. You're going to have your furnace throughout the coach for that cold weather camping. This is kind of nice for cool weather camping, and being able to use some of that supplemental electric heat when you're plugged in at a park somewhere is kind of nice. Your TV that you can kind of fold out and look as well. DVD player and entertainment center on that location there, and some storage above and below. And a little bit of storage that we have up in this area as well too. As we go back over here to where the bathroom is and then the master, you've got a doorway that runs right from the main area into the bathroom here, and you're going to have your shower, which is the newest kind of design of shower that keeps that water in, which is a real nice design. Gives you a little more shoulder room and a softer feel inside there with that curves. And then we've got your toilets easy to kind of get around and use there. You also have some storage down below there. And then the medicine cabinet that you have with an additional shelf and the lip up there, and a big lip down here to keep those things hopefully where they belong inside there. The sink, of course, is easy to plug in there. And when we look into the bathroom or the master here, then we'll go ahead and shut this door. If we can kind of look into here, we'll see we've got the shirt closets on both sides, and then your overhead storage that runs all the way through here on that part, and then your areas to nightstand on both sides, and then your hanging space on this, and your bed storage here that you have, that you see is separate from the basement, kind of the faux basement sort of area outside. and then a pocket door that will separate so you can kind of get to the bathroom here without having to go out, and then you have that other doorway there. As the cameraman comes around towards me here, I'll show you on this other way out, just so you can see the other things that you didn't see from that other angle, and that's the storage here. So you do have all that inside the bathroom. You have, again, the other things we pointed out, a little fan up there for extracting when you're showering. And then we'll see, it's kind of a nice roomy area there. We'll go ahead ourselves outside. And then we'll kind of go towards the back of the coach here. Right now this is kind of a fresh unit for us, so sorry I don't have the key. That is a special lock on that. But that opens up and you have a nice large refrigerator, and you've got your sink, and you've also got a slide out burner for cooking as well too, which is nice. That's going to be on that area there. You'll have your spare tire, and let's see. Yep, and we've got your slide out that's going to be on this side. So you have the one you saw over there, and then the slide out on this side for that bedroom area in the back. The black tank flush is becoming a more common feature to have now. It's really nice. Your plug-in, your cable hookup, and satellite. You've got your water fill here. You also see you got an outside shower, so that'll open up there, and you'll be able to have hot and cold water. Your city water hookup that we have here, and this is going to be for your black tank flush in dumping that. So you're going to note that we have 2 of the black tank flushes because you have your secondary bathroom in the back. So that's why you see the 2 on this coach. So real nice setup. We'll show you where this pass-through is that runs all the way through that sort of under the bed area. We've got the larger 7-gallon tanks, your power tongue jack, and I like the way they do this in a metal material as opposed to fiberglass. I think it holds up a lot better than the fiberglass does as far as the Phylon material that bends over. This is a nice material. You've also got, again, the pass-through that you can see a better picture of it from right through there on that area as well. So some of the changes that are really nice. Coachmen, again, has been around for a long time, but it's nice that they did the newer kind of lighter cabinets and everything. If you have questions, of course, which you probably will, please feel free to give one of us a call here at Guarantee. I've been here 28 years, but a lot of salespeople have been here for a long time. So let us know if you have any questions. And of course, there's a number at the end of this video to get a hold of me. And again, you know, it's a great opportunity to get out there and enjoy this beautiful country we have. And you know, I've been here again 28 years, and it's just a blast to help people out. So any more questions, give us a call. And remember, at Guarantee in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.